Question number 14. The force resisting the motion of a car is proportional to the square of the car speed. It's already given. The force, resistive force, is proportional to V square. Whenever there is a proportionality, what I will do is, I will write this as F equal to some constant K into V square. Okay. The where K is a proportionality constant. The magnitude of the force is 20 when the force is 800. Okay. And this is 800. This is K multiplied by 20 square. I written this equation. What useful output power is required from the car's engine to maintain a steady speed of 40 meters per second? Now, when you have a force of 800 and speed is 20, what is the power here? Power here should now be equal to force multiplied by velocity, which should be 800 multiplied by 20, which should be equal to 8 2s are 16 000 watt over here. Okay, now he is asking you P dash over here. Now, what is he asking here? What is the force? What is the force F dash when you had the speed to be 40 meters per second? 40 meters per second, which will be K into 40 square. So, how do I do? I have one equation here. I have another equation here. Let me divide one by the other. When I divide one by the other, what do I get here? I will do F dash by F. F dash by F over here. When I divide one by the other, what do I get? I get K into 40 square divided by K into 20 square. So, this K goes away and I get 40 divided by 20 the whole square. 21s are 22s are, which should be equal to 4. Which means F dash is equal to 4 times F. What's the value of F? F is 800, which should be 4 into 800, which should be equal to 4 is 3200 Newton. This is a new force. Now, with this new force, find out what is the value of P dash. P dash will be F dash into V dash because both of them are changing, right? So, what is F dash? 3200 multiplied by what is V dash? V dash is 40. We took it here, 40. So, which should now be 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 128, and there are triple zeros. So, now I can now write this as 128 into 10 cube. 10 cube is K watt over here, 128 kilowatt. So, the answer is C over here. Okay.